card!
Look! That is Dubai! We are finally here!
I can smell the sea and the city together.
I love it already!
I love it already!
We meet back here at 4 o'clock. Not 1 minute late, okay?
Sophia! This building in the whole world? Is that the tallest building in the whole world? It is! The biggest thing I have ever seen in my whole life!
A skyscraper is a building so tall, it almost touches the sky. Subscribe so you don't miss our next stop on the ship.
The water goes up and comes down and goes up again. It is alive. Sophia, it is a real baby camel.
Can I go closer, please?
Max, the camel is watching you. Sophia, where is my ship card? I cannot find it anywhere.
I cannot find it anywhere.
I don't see it. It is not here, Sophia.
Excuse me, I found this on the sand near the camel fence.
Lost means you cannot find it. Found means you have it again. Two minutes! The ship leaves in 2 minutes!
Run, Sophia! Run as fast as you can!
Sophia! Max! Here! Come here now!
Please wait! Our children are coming!
We made it!
We actually made it!
Thank you, Omar! Omar! You saved us today! Thank you!
Have you ever been to Dubai? Tell me in the comments below.
Dubai was amazing. When do we go back?